it's Lisa from Joyfully Art again. Glad to be here. Let's see, first off, this is my painting from the last video. The really big swipe. Turned out really pretty. I love it. Love all the metallic and the gold. Really pretty. So on with the next. Okay, I scraped this canvas from a prior video that you didn't see because it didn't turn out, so we're going to try it again. My colors today are Artist Loft, Titanium White, and Winsor Newton Mars Black. That's it. I'm going to try a zebra stripe. Last one didn't turn out and you didn't see the video, so we're going to try it again. Just have this one big cup, and I'm going to layer it with black and white. We're going to see how it does. See if I can make it work this time. I hope so. Hope this is enough paint, but if not, I've got some standing by. If I don't think it fills the cup enough, then I've got some other that I can put in. Hopefully this video will make it to you guys. The other one was a complete flop. Wasted a lot of paint, but you know, sometimes that happens. And I really think this is going to be enough. And there we go. Looks pretty in there, doesn't it? All the stripes. Let's just see if I can make it work on the canvas like that. Okay, here we go. Without it turning all gray. I don't know about this. Give it a torch real quick. See, sure there's no air bubbles. I saw another artist do it. I think her name is Doris. And she did a really good job. So maybe mine will turn out. I don't know. Let's see if we can tilt it and try and keep the stripes kind of uniform. I don't know if zebra stripes are all really even or not. Bring it back down this way a little bit. I know I'm showing you the back of the canvas and I'm sorry about that. But I don't want to mess it up. Let's see. Let's turn it around. You can see what I'm doing on the other side. Let's go this way. Go back this way some. Get my corners. Corners are always a real bear to try and get covered. I have this one over here that's giving me the dickens. Gonna have to go way down there, I guess. I can help it along a little bit. I think that's gonna look funky though. Come on. You're gonna mess up the whole thing, that one corner. Okay, now, let's see if we can get them back to halfway straight. Come on, I know you can do it. Come on, there's gotta be enough paint on there to get them back to where they originally belong. Come on. Oop, that's not gonna work. They're getting all wonky. Getting more wonky than what I want. Let's see. Let's see, this ends. That side over there, just, that's gonna have to be what it is. This side over here just went all out. But I think I can live with it. It's gonna be a short video. What do you think? Can we live with that one? That side went a little bit wonky, but for the most part, it turned out pretty well. And there we have it. Wipe my hands a little bit. I think it looks pretty good for just 2 colors. These are acrylic paints. I love paint pouring. You never know what you're going to come up with. Let's give it another torch. Leave me a comment if you want to. Anything that you want to see me do or anything. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Or hit the bell and you'll be notified when I put up a new video. Share with all your friends and family. Please give me a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. Thanks for watching today. And as always, please have a great day.